Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Rheem gas control or valve failure. 7 flashes error code troubleshooting. Fix 1 is reset the water heater. Turn the gas control knob to off, then wait 5 minutes for the system to fully shut down. Turn the gas control knob back to on. Relight the pilot if your model requires it. Check whether the 7 flash error has cleared. Second fix is check the gas supply. Make sure the gas shut-off valve is fully open. Verify that other gas appliances in your home are working. If no gas is available, contact your gas provider. Restart the water heater and check the status light. Third one is inspect wiring connection. Turn off power on the water heater if applicable, then remove the access panel. Check all wire connected to the gas control valve. Reconnect any loose or disconnected wires. Restore power and test the heater. Fourth fix is inspect for moisture or corrosion. Look around the gas valve or wiring connections, then check for water leaks, rust or corrosion. Dry any moisture and repair leaks if found, then restart the water heater. Fifth one is power cycle the unit. Turn the gas control valve to off, then disconnect electrical power if your model uses power. Then wait for 10 minutes, reconnect power and turn the gas control back on. Check if the flashing code disappear. Thanks for watching.